Welcome to the fifth episode of About Our World. Today's topic is human evolution and how we got so incredibly smart. When compared to all other animals to ever live, humans are the smartest. How did that evolve? Let's find out. Looking at other highly intelligent species is a good way to see how intelligence evolves. Among the smartest animals are elephants, parrots, dolphins, orangutans, and corvids such as crows, ravens, jays, and magpies. Here's a chart which shows just some of the traits that characterize high intelligence. The most prominent and supported hypothesis for how animals gain intelligence is the social brain hypothesis. This hypothesis states that animals who live in complex social groups will have an increase in brain size and intelligence to accommodate for the complexity of the social groups. The more complex the social group, the smarter the animal will become. This is a well-supported hypothesis that can be observed in nature today. Animals who live in social groups, like dolphins, elephants, meerkats, and apes, such as chimps, bonobos, and orangutans, tend to be much smarter than those who do not. Elephants live in a matriarchal society, which means the oldest, wisest female leads the herd, and have the largest brain of any living land animal. They are also capable of making and using tools, showing compassion and empathy, and have extraordinary memory. Many monkeys and apes are also very intelligent due to their social groups and behaviors. Of course, this isn't the case for all animals. Octopuses are extremely smart creatures, yet aren't very social with each other. However, this hypothesis works for a great deal of animals. Now let's head back to humans. Our species, Homo sapien, has all 6 traits listed in the table from earlier. In fact, if we made a table just for humans, it would look more like this. Sure, many animals are capable of the most basic of math. Fish can multitask. Some individual birds can dance to rhythms, and bees can even tell time, but no animal can display more cognitive functions than a human. Our ancestors became increasingly intelligent ever since the genus Australopithecus arrived in the scene around 3 million years ago in the late Pliocene epoch. Australopithecus was the earliest of our ancestors to make stone tools, and at least one species, Australopithecus afarensis, was fully bipedal. Then, the first member of our genus, Homo habilis, was also the first of our ancestors to migrate out of Africa. Next, Homo erectus was the first to control fire and cross oceans. One after another, each species brought new innovations to the table, allowing for our genus to thrive in new environments. Within all that, we had our social groups and culture, which increased our intelligence to accommodate for complex relationships. Speech is another driving factor. You can click on the link in the cards above to watch a video from PBS Eons, which dives into how our speech evolved and the anatomical structures our ancestors gained to be able to create language. Anatomically modern humans appeared around 100,000 years ago and continued to spread throughout the world. By at least 13,000 years ago, there were humans on every single continent except Antarctica. Humans were all over the planet by the time the Pleistocene Ice Age rolled around, and once it ended, we began settling down. Around 10,000 years ago, we discovered agriculture and could now control our food. Around 5,000 years ago, or 3000 BCE, the first human civilization, ancient Mesopotamia, formed. Society was born, and the rest is history. I'll see you next week.